Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng pandan flavor na gulaman para sa buko pandan. Ito po ang gagamitin natin. Mr. Gulaman jelly powder. Unflavored. At ito naman ang pandan flavor natin. So, from the instruction, it says that need to put 6 cup of water. Three. 5 and 6. Then, ilagay na natin itong gulaman powder. This is color green but there's no flavor yet. So, I'm going to put pandan flavoring here. A few drops is good. Because this is concentrated flavor. So, don't need to put too much. Only a few drops. It's good. Now it's very dark green, the color. And the smell of pandan is there now. Yes. So, we're going to let it boil. And when it boil, then it's finished. Then after that, we're going to cool it down. Put in the containers and then let it cool down for the buko flavor, buko pandan, for our buko pandan. I'm going to use this young coconut meat in syrup for the buko, and this I'm going also to put jackfruit. It's very sweet already after this, so I don't put anything. Maybe I will try to put cream, but that's it. Hahaluin lang natin ang hahaluin. We're just going to mix while waiting for it to boil, and when it begins to boil, then we turn off the fire. Kumulo na po ang ating gulaman. So, we're going to transfer it to our containers. Hindi natin masyadong pupunuin para manipis lang ang gulaman, para pag slice natin hindi masyadong makapal. Tama na yung ganito. We need more containers. More containers. Put it down. palamigin natin konti bago pasok sa ref. Para mag-set ang gulaman. Buhos na natin. Para walang masayang. So that's it. Ito na po ang mga gulaman natin. Mga after few hours in the ref, pwede na natin gamitin para sa buko pandan.